Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I'd like to share with you a very easy, tasty and a quick lunch or dinner recipe. For this recipe, I'm using my garden's organic cherry tomatoes for the topping. This recipe is homemade basil almond pesto tossed with spaghetti. Do try this easy, delicious homemade basil almond pesto and toss it with your choice of pasta and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.